Porsche is planning to get an update for the 911, and guess what? The hybrid tech will be included in some variants, and one of them is probably the 911 Turbo S. Stay tuned as we delve more. The latest 911 model is estimated to make a debut next year as a 2025 model for the US. Its prototypes are being tested as we speak. The advanced Porsche 911 will possess restyled front and rear end, an advanced cockpit, and a few detailed changes that also includes 48-volt hybrid systems for the engine lineup. However, in terms of headline breakthrough material for this 992.2 model, nothing surpasses the new THVE hybrid system that'll be coming a little later, and it will give the iconic sports car a huge move towards electrification. Porsche hasn't provided any details on the hybrid as of yet. However, the two dealers that the media outlet CarAndDriver.com spoke to separately admitted to having seen the project's existence. But let us inform you that you need to be patient as the deliveries won't start before 2025. The Porsche unit doesn't have any plans to be plugged in as it's meant to be charged to fly. It won't be similar to being on the lines of the Ferrari 296 GTB and McLaren Artura plug-in hybrids. The electric motor has the ability to create an additional 80 to 90 horsepower and is fed by a high-performance Varta battery. It was reportedly co-developed with Rimac. For the unversed, Porsche has a 45% minority interest in Rimac. The jointly developed THVE system combines two electrical elements. As per the supplier, the combined starter generator makes an on-demand instant boost effect and pushes the auxiliary equipment. The essential electric motor placed under the fuel tank drives the front wheels and enhances the weight distribution. The basis of the THEV system lies in the small battery that supports the compact electric drive unit. It's regularly charged both by the combustion engine and the kinetic energy that's been created under braking. For complexity involvement, a manual gearbox will not be an option according to sources. The total THVE module is estimated to weigh no more than 55 pounds. The engine will include a changed twin-turbo 3.0-liter flat-six rated at 395 horsepower and 347 pound-feet of torque. Believing that the electric motor gives about 84 horsepower and 129 pound-feet to the action, the integrated results should be approximately 478 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. Perhaps there's also an even punchier 528 horsepower version in the process that would reduce the gap between the beefed-up future 911 GTS and the next 911 Turbo. As per the Weissach grapevine, the top-of-the-line 800-plus horsepower GT2 RS due in 2026 will also operate a hybrid setup. The German marquee Porsche has a very committed fan base, considering it has provided us 8 generations of the iconic 911 sports car. Furthermore, the car maker has assured us that the latest car model will soldier the customers for more years to come. So there could be a new car launch in the next 6 to 8 months. Porsche is revamping its 911 range for the 2025 model year. The expected upgrades include the installation of a hybrid system as well as an all-new 3.6-liter engine to be utilized in diverse 911 versions. Porsche's hybrid unit's battery is one of a kind, and that's why it aims to be charged on the move, utilizing an integration of combustion engine and kinetic energy that has been created during braking. As per several reports, the electric powertrain of Porsche will create around between 80 to 90 PS and approximately 130 Newton-meters of torque. The upcoming 911 GTS's engine displacement will allegedly raise to 3.6 liters from 3.0 liters. The 3.6-liter engines in the Turbo and Turbo S variants will be replaced with an additionally modern, more economically twin-turbocharged 3.6-liter engine. The naturally aspirated 4.0-liter engine is included in the GT3 and its wingless GT3 Touring equivalent. If you get access to the claimed internal and external documentation, then you'll understand that the 3.6-liter engine in the GTS produces 483 PS and 560 Newton-meters of torque. The 3.0 produces 473 PS and 570 Nm of torque at the crankshaft. The hybrid configuration could count no more than 25 kilos. A more robust 911 hybrid is expressed to have 535 PS. The flagship GT2 RS is also declared to be a hybrid, but with a total power that's predicted to exceed 800 PS. The revamped Porsche 911 will be available to purchase as a 2025 model, probably early next year. After all, Porsche has conquered the art of making the most utilization out of their vehicles, and based on the scheduled 911 modifications, it looks like one of the most legendary sports cars ever built still has some juice left in it. Now let us take a glance at Porsche's philosophy on electromobility. There are several vehicles with different drive technologies. Porsche provides both all-electric and plug-in hybrid models. Electric cars that are also known as battery electric vehicles, or BEVs, are fitted with the help of a battery and an electric motor. For instance, the Porsche Taycan has a system voltage of 800 volts that ensures high continuous power and reduced charging time and weight. With regards to plug-in hybrid cars, which are also known as plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, they're fitted with an electric motor, a battery, and a combustion engine. In Porsche's plug-in hybrid models, the electric motor supports the power of the combustion engine. So what is the distinction between all-electric drive technology and plug-in hybrid drive technology models of Porsche? Well, for the all-electric drive technology of Porsche models, their electric motor comes with a range of up to 512 kilometers. The battery can be charged between 5 to 80% in 22.5 minutes. The all-electric Porsche models have a higher speed of up to 260 kilometers an hour. The Porsche Taycan models are presently available in this area. Talking about the Porsche plug-in hybrid models, they come with an electric motor and a battery, as well as a combustion engine. The all-electric range is up to 40 to 56 kilometers. Porsche plug-in hybrid models can be charged at all AC charging stations. They have a higher speed up to 315 kilometers an hour. The Cayenne e-hybrid and the Panamera e-hybrid models are presently available in this category. Shedding light on the Porsche Taycan models, let us tell you that it comes with advanced drive technology for higher charging and drive performance. This futuristic sports car can be utilized for reduced emissions and more driving enjoyment. Porsche's Taycan is a 4-door sports saloon which comes with a unique package delivering typical Porsche performance and connectivity for everyday use. At the same time, highly progressive production methods and the features of the Taycan are establishing new standards in the areas of sustainability and digitalization. Taycan comes in different versions such as Taycan 4S, Taycan GTS, Taycan Turbo, Taycan Turbo S, Taycan 4 Cross Turismo, Taycan 4S Cross Turismo, Taycan Turbo Cross Turismo, Taycan Turbo S Cross Turismo, Taycan Sport Turismo, Taycan 4S Sport Turismo, Taycan GTS Sport Turismo, Taycan Turbo Sport Turismo, and finally, Taycan Turbo S Sport Turismo. You can visit the website Porsche.com and find the important technical details of the plug-in hybrid and all-electric cars. Let us take a glimpse at the history of the company. Porsche is a German-based automobile manufacturer that specializes in high-performance sports cars, SUVs, and sedans. Their headquarters are located in Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. The firm is owned by Volkswagen AG, which has a controlling stake and is owned by Porsche Automobile Holding SE. Presently, the company has a lineup of 718, 911, Panamera, Macan, Cayenne, and Taycan models. Porsche in 2009 got into an agreement with Volkswagen to come up with an integrated working group by combining the car manufacturing operations of the two companies. In August 2011, Porsche announced that it would establish a production plant in Malaysia, which is the first nation outside of Europe. Local assembly will be managed by Porsche Malaysia's partner Sima Darby, which has been the official distributor of the Stuttgart-based company in Malaysia since 2010. If you liked watching our video, click on like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any thoughts, then share your views with us in the comments section down below. Stay tuned for more going forward.